Okay, serious question. I know that these are supposed to be tie-dye on the inside of the shoe, and lots of you guys ripped me apart in last video for calling this multicolor camo. But look at this. Have you seen a tie-dye shirt? In what world does a tie-dye shirt look like the inside of the shoe? It doesn't. In no world. This looks way closer to Bape camo than it does to a tie-dye shirt. So I will continue to call it multicolor camo because multicolor camo is what it looks like. On a side note, how freaking nice are these shoes? This is gonna be a slight problem. I freaking ran out of toilet paper. Oh my goodness, how did I do this? Normally this wouldn't be a problem. I'd go to the store and I'd just buy toilet paper. But due to current global pandemic situations, it's now like finding liquid gold on the street. Okay, I don't know if anyone's ever found liquid gold on the street. We're going to Target. It's not gonna be, it's gonna be sold out. Wish me luck. You know what? This may prove to be a tiny little, this is gonna be an absolutely massive conundrum. You know what? Next stop, CVS, or Dwayne Reed, or Walgreens. Honestly, just whatever one I see first. Got it. Charmin Ultra Strong, baby. 6 mega equals 24 regular. Oh, my apologies. It is not extra strong, it is ultra soft. This was the only toilet paper they had left at Dwayne Reed. We have two sneaker unboxings from subscribers today. One of them showed up and I totally 100% already opened it already because I was really excited. And then the other is hopefully, fingers crossed, showing up later this afternoon. It says it's out for delivery, but with the current postal service, who knows, maybe it shows up next week. I already opened this one. This is a sneaker unboxing from a subscriber, which I am super thankful for, sir. You know who you are. I appreciate it so much. These have been sitting around here for like a week already and I've just been waiting to show you guys. I haven't actually taken them out of the box to see them. I just opened up the box to see what they were. Absolutely mind-blowing that you guys support the videos enough to every once in a while someone will reach out and be like, dude, I want to send you a pair of shoes. Can I send you a pair of shoes? And it's like, thank you so much. Yes, you can. I appreciate it. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Yeezy 380s right there. Size 12, size 12, size 12. These are going to be worn a lot. I really wanted to get a pair of these on release, and this was one of the biggest Yeezy releases in terms of stock numbers ever. I actually talked to a couple of people that I know that work at some sneaker retailers, like in the corporate offices, and they said in terms of stock numbers, this is one of the most mass-produced Yeezys and the biggest Yeezy release that Adidas has ever done. It is the mist non-reflective. I don't know about you guys, maybe I am just crazy and I'm the only one that likes these, except I think this is just such a good pair of shoes. I'm gonna be wearing these, like I'll probably throw them on feet right now so we can rip this tag off. That was really hard to pull off. It was just a piece of plastic and that was hard to pull off. In terms of Yeezys, I think the 380 is by far the most comfortable. I think it looks almost the most unique. I think the Quantums are probably the most unique. But besides that, I'd vote for these. I mean, it just looks so different. It looks so strange. It looks like a slipper with this giant marshmallow thing on the bottom. And at the same time, they're so ridiculously comfortable. And the fact that someone just decided to send these to me in my size is freaking incredible. I think the retail on these is what, $200, which is a little bit cheaper than the 350s, which is honestly surprising to me. Okay, wait, now that I'm saying this, the retail on these might actually be $220 as well, in which case disregard everything that I'm saying. I know these aren't the classic Yeezy silhouette, except I think this is an infinitely more interesting Yeezy silhouette than just the regular 350. I mean, there's crazier looking stuff that's coming out in the coming year, like the crazy one with like the fingers wrapping up around it, or the one that's just a clog. that for some reason people want. I don't know, not personally my style. This personally is my style. I think these are gonna look amazing with these pants. I think they will look just incredible, and most of all, these are so comfortable. Only concern I have is potentially wearing these on my boosted board. I just feel like they're so thick and fluffy and bouncy that I might not have any board feel at all, and that could wind up being potentially dangerous. I know these were widely available and sat online for retail for a long time, so I'm sure most of you guys that wanted these were able to get them. I was just sleeping on them and was distracted by all the stuff going on in the world and never ended up picking up a pair in my own size, but now I have them thanks to you guys. So without further ado, this is what they look like on feet. Okay, now we are going to see what these things feel like on the boosted board. Little bit hesitant. They're just so squishy. Yeah, I can't feel the board at all. Let's see how this goes. This is such a weird sensation. I don't know if I like it or not. I haven't decided yet. They deal with the bumps so much better. I mean, I can't feel any potholes. I can't feel any cracks in the street, which almost makes me a little bit uncomfortable because I don't have to brace myself for it. The shoes just take all the impact. So they're definitely comfortable. Would I wear them daily riding my boosted board? Honestly, probably not. They're just too squishy and I can't feel the board, and that makes me feel unsafe. Okay, second package just showed up. USPS, thank you for running on time. Amazon is taking a million years to ship everything, but USPS, I don't know if USPS fulfills any Amazon parcels, but USPS has been pretty reliable the past couple of months. This is surprisingly another pair of shoes from a subscriber. Now, I didn't get this one for free, but I did get it for retail, which is very exciting because these go for significantly over retail. I believe these go for around $350, although do not quote me on that because I am not 100% sure, but I think these go for around 300. This USPS priority mail tape is like really sturdy. Okay, here we go. Look at that. It's another pair of Yeezys. This time instead of the 380s, it is the Yeezy 700s. It's not the V1s. It's not the V2s. It's not the Did we have a Yeezy 700 V3? Is that? I don't think we did. No. No, we didn't. We did. We 100% did. It's not any of those. It is the Yeezy 700 MNVN in one of, I'm not sure if this is officially, but one of the original colorways. Wow. Not bad. So these already released, when did these release? In like February or January? They released a long time ago. I'm gonna vote February, like beginning of February, end of February, middle of February, some part of February. The Yeezy 700 MNVN minivans. Apparently these are called the minivans because they're supposed to be for everyday use, like a minivan. I don't freaking know. I don't understand what people call shoes or advocate what they call them. 90% of the time, I don't know what I'm talking about, but I think these are called the minivans because you're supposed to use them every day like a minivan. I do know for a fact that the retail was $200 on these though, which is really cool because the regular 700 is $300, which is just really, really, really expensive, and no one really wants to spend 300 plus tax on a dad shoe, which is why, I mean, they haven't released one of those in 6 months. These are 200. They don't have Boost. Oh wait, they do. They do have Boost. I swear I don't try and say stupid stuff like this. I just genuinely, I can't pay attention to all of this. I don't spend my entire day researching sneakers. These do have Boost. Disregard what I'm saying. These 100% do have Boost. Anyway, these restock on May 23rd, which is in like a week and a half, and I was able to get them early thanks to one of you awesome people. Once again, thank you. You know who you are. I always feel awkward putting people's names on blast because, like, unless they specifically say they're okay with that, I don't want to shout someone out if they don't want to be shouted out. Restocking May 23rd or 24th, or who knows, maybe it gets postponed, maybe it never restocks, but as of right now they're restocking May 23rd, and I was able to get them early. It's a nice pair of shoes. It's black, it's not that fancy. They do indeed have Boost. I approve. Guys, it has been a good day. It's not every day lately, especially with all sneaker stores being closed, that you get 2 Yeezys to unbox in the same day. So that was definitely fun. Being out in the city has definitely been fun as well. Spring's coming, summer's coming, and it's just nice to be outside. I just wanted to give you guys a quick reminder before we head out of here that the May mystery box is only going to be on sale for this week, and then after this week it is gone. And the May mystery box was very quick and very limited. So if you want to grab a May mystery box, already a few sizes are sold out, but I'll leave a link down in the description if you haven't already. That being said, guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you tomorrow, and until next time, peace.